When we got into this, we found that we were losing far more women students than we really thought we should. You know, they would start in a too low but reasonable number, but by the time we got to graduation, that number had decreased quite a bit. I think there comes a point with each person, every student, particularly when they start in a major like this. They come in as freshmen and they're all excited, and then you start to see them get, a few semesters in older, and they start to go, okay, so how is this going to work with all my other goals in life, personal and family and church, and how do I make the whole package work? And I think for each of them to kind of continue through with it, they have to figure out for themselves how that works. But that's a huge concern. And I think when you don't see a lot of role models, you don't see a lot of people doing that, you automatically assume, I think as a younger girls a lot of time, that, well, it can't be done. So they don't even think about it. They don't even consider it. We wanted to kind of break down some of those barriers and kind of take the roadblocks away for the girls. One of the most effective things that we've found is to just bring in a lot of professional women, alumni. Most of them are LDS, some of them are not. I want to give them a fair perspective of all kinds of broad things and different things. So I want all these women that come in to have a background in this type of area. I've chosen kind of an engineering or technology or computery kind of field. But then what are you doing now? Sometimes we do what's a day in the life like in what you do? But I want to bring in people who work full-time, people that work part-time, people that have families, people that don't, people that have had all kinds of different life transitions. I just want to show them a lot of different options to say there's no right way or wrong way to do it. And so that's been really effective, is just showing them lots of different role models. And then somewhere along the line, somebody's going to say, oh, that person is a lot like me, or I connect with them. I can relate to their story or what their motivations are, or whatever that is. And that's been really, really fun. Yeah. What I don't ever want to do is confuse a student or give them information or counsel that is going to be kind of confusing to them. I don't ever want a student to think, well, you guys are telling me I need to have a career, and I don't need to have a family, because that is not it at all. What I want them to do is get a great education and be empowered to make the choices that are going to be what they want to do with their life and their family, and be prepared for all kinds of things. There are great opportunities out there, and I think that we need men and women in the church and everything to be able to fill those positions and take part in those things. I love a lot of the counsel and teaching advice, particularly President Hinckley, where he would talk about, the time is opening up for women. There's opportunity for women to do all of these things in the sciences and all these fields. And I think women are taking that to heart. Over the last probably about 7 or 8 years, we've got to, for example, our freshman class coming in this year is 22% female. And our graduation numbers have gone from 9% women to just below 15% women. So it's making progress, which makes the dean very, very happy. And it's exciting to see. I think it's important because not only is it fantastic opportunities for the individual, but that I think diversity breeds creativity. It brings about better solutions to problems. It's really important not only to have women there, but to have a diverse background of people that can do those things.